Habitat for Humanity, and I absolutely loved these figurines. I would have gotten them even though I have nowhere to put them, but they were $10 a piece, and to me that seemed more like a antique store price than a thrift store price. But they sure were beautiful. I wished I could have afforded to have gotten them all. Had these just in time for the 4th of July. I believe my grandmother used to have something kind of like this. This Funtime Friday challenge is hosted by Tiffany of Broke Girl Aesthetic. We get to do whatever we want. I love challenges like this because you can just, if you want to show a haul, if you want to thrift, if you want to make something, try something new, you got that chance to do it. And I want to thank Tiffany for hosting this challenge. I will have her channel listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. Be sure and check it out, and check her out. So without further ado, let's get back to thrifting. This bowl was absolutely beautiful, but $26. Whenever I go back and edit these videos, I always see stuff I wished I've gotten, or stuff I didn't really see until I'm looking at the video. My first trip to Habitat for Humanity was a few weeks ago. This one was last week, and I thought their prices were high before, but nothing like this time. I loved that bowl, but $30 at a thrift store. I do wish I'd gotten that lace tablecloth. It was beautiful, but I couldn't find a price. There were a lot of little snow babies. I think they were like $5 a piece. They still had some of the things I remember from last time I was here. These were cute, but I couldn't find a price. I love these poodles. I thought of Nicole of Shabby French Door. She always collects poodles, vintage poodles. Oh, I do love me some Doctor Who. And I have to show off the Mississippi State sign. We won the national championship from baseball. This is another thrift store in our town, and it's Palmer Home for Children. It helps support an orphanage we have in a town close to us. I kept going back and forth on that bunny rabbit. I really wished I'd gotten him, but I didn't. Everyone needs a sloth in their life. There were lots and lots of glassware. Palmer Home's prices were much more reasonable. There just wasn't a whole lot of stuff in any of the thrift stores I went to. I went to Salvation Army, but it wasn't anything worth even filming. Now I'm going to show you my haul. Most of the stuff I got is for DIYs. And the first thing I got is this yarn. If you could, it was only $1, and if you can find this pretty chunky yarn for $1, you better grab it. The next thing I got were these nesting frames. I mean, $3.99 solid wood, you can't beat that. And those I will DIY. I also got this wooden box, and it was $2.99, and I will DIY that. I got this photo frame kit, which I probably won't make the frame, but the pieces of wood I can use. And for $2.99, that's not bad. this pretty piece. It's real heavy. I don't know if it's ceramic or what. It was $3.99. Might want to turn it right side. But this all DIY. I love the design on it. I've been doing a lot of paper craft and I've been real interested in that. So I found these vellum phrases for 49 cents. And I found this pretty napkins for 99 cents. And I went to Tuesday morning and they were like $4. And I know they're cheaper than most places. This I just thought was real pretty. I got this crate for $3.99. I love the shape of it. I will DIY that. And my last item I got for fun. And it's this turkey. It's almost that time of year, y'all. And I thought he was adorable. He will stay the way he is. I love the colors. I love the vivid fall colors. And I do regret not getting that bunny rabbit. It's hard for me to get spring and Easter when I'm looking towards fall and Christmas. But I should, because that's when you can find that stuff. But I may go back and get it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this haul and the thrift with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell if you hadn't. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. I want to thank Tiffany of Broke Girl Aesthetic for hosting this challenge. It was a lot of fun. Be sure and check out her channel as well as the playlist. And until next time, bye y'all.